This isn't just an RC car. This is a pocket-sized rally monster that can hit insane speeds and tear through dirt like a real race machine. Blink and you'll miss it. Stay with me because what this tiny beast can do is absolutely unreal. What if I told you there's an RC truck that feels less like a toy and more like pure adrenaline on wheels? Meet the Traxxas Rustler, built for speed, control, and unstoppable fun. Right out of the box, the Rustler screams performance. Its low, wide stance isn't just for looks. It's engineered for maximum high-speed stability and razor-sharp handling. This beast comes ready to race, meaning no complicated setup. Just charge it, power it on, and go. With a blistering top speed of over 35 miles per hour, you're not just driving, you're flying across terrain. And let's talk durability. The factory-installed heavy-duty suspension components are built to take punishment. Jumps, bumps, rough terrain, you name it. What really sets the Rustler apart is how it feels. The reflexes are lightning fast. Whether you're carving corners, drifting through dirt, or going full throttle across open ground, it responds instantly. You get that satisfying power slide, that perfect control mid-turn. It's the kind of experience that keeps you coming back for just one more run. This isn't just an RC truck for beginners or pros. It's for anyone who wants excitement without compromise. Durable enough to survive crashes, fast enough to thrill every time, and simple enough to enjoy immediately. If you're ready to take RC driving to the next level, the Traxxas Rustler delivers speed, strength, and pure fun in one unstoppable package. Once you hit the throttle, there's no going back. Imagine holding a legendary rally car in your hands and then unleashing it at insane speeds. This is the Traxxas Mini Rally VXL 4x4, small in size, massive in performance. Inspired by the iconic Ford RS200, this compact machine combines stunning realism with jaw-dropping power. It's not just a model, it's a rally experience you can take anywhere. Under the hood, you got a Velineon 3500 kV brushless motor paired with a waterproof VXL 3S speed controller. That means serious speed, up to 88 kilometers per hour with a 3S battery. The 4x4 drivetrain with the center differential ensures maximum grip and control, while heavy-duty suspension and oil-filled shocks keep everything smooth even on rough terrain. The attention to detail is incredible. The Ford RS200 body comes with functional LED lights and a sleek, fun pinless mounting system. No clips, no hassle. And with the TQI 2-channel remote and Traxxas stability management, you get precision control even at high speeds. Driving this feels like real rally racing. Tight corners, dirt tracks, straight-line bursts, it handles everything effortlessly. Plus, the included 2S LiPo battery already delivers over 65 kilometers per hour, so the fun starts immediately. Portable, powerful, and packed with advanced features, this mini rally car is perfect for both casual drivers and serious RC enthusiasts. If you want rally excitement in a compact, high-performance package, this is it. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.